In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print in Canva step by step. If you've ever designed something that looked great on screen but came out blurry, cropped, or slightly off when printed, this walkthrough will help you avoid those common mistakes and get a much cleaner result. First, open Canva and go to the design you want to print. This could be a poster, invitation, flyer, menu, or business card. From your Canva homepage, find the correct project in your recent designs or saved files, then open it so you're inside the main editing workspace. Once the design is on screen, click into the canvas area so you can clearly see and work with your layout. Before you print anything, it's important to turn on Canva's print guides. At the top of the screen, click File, then go to View Settings. From there, enable Show Margins and Show Print Bleed. These guides are extremely helpful because they show you the safe area for text and important elements, along with the extra space needed around the edges for trimming. This helps prevent white borders and keeps anything important from getting cut off. Now take a moment to check the alignment of everything in your design. If you have a background photo, color block, or graphic that is meant to go all the way to the edge of the page, drag it slightly outward so it extends to the bleed line. For text, logos, and other key content, keep them inside the margin guides. As you move elements around, Canva's alignment guides will help them snap neatly into place, making the layout feel more centered and balanced. Once your design looks correct, you're ready to download it for printing. Go to the top right corner and click Share, then choose Download. In the File Type dropdown, select PDF Print. This is the best option for high-quality printing because it preserves sharp text and better image quality. Also, make sure to check the option for crop, marks, and bleed. Then click the Download button to save the print-ready file to your computer. If you'd rather not print it yourself, Canva also offers a built-in printing option. At the top of the editor, click Print with Canva. This opens Canva's print ordering panel where you can choose your paper type and finish, such as matte, gloss, or uncoated. You can then review your order details and continue through the delivery setup to have the finished prints shipped to you. Finally, always do one last check before printing or ordering. Open the saved PDF or use Print Preview to make sure the text is clear, nothing is too close to the edge, and the overall layout still looks polished. That's all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.